Which team do you support in Premier League?
Manchester United.
Manchester United. Okay, apart from Ten Hag, Jose Mourinho, and Ferguson, name 3 other former managers from Manchester United. Kuja. Aya, ujui.
Guys, sasa kuna Amorim ama?
Amorim si former. Amorim si former. Kau ujui nasema pass. Pass. Okay. Name 5 players that have ever played for Manchester United that are from Argentina. Tuanze na current one. Kuna mwenye ako hapo wa Argentina.
Pass.
Acha nikupe mmoja. Garnacho mwingine. Dalot ni wa Argentina.
Hapana.
Okay, kau ujui unasema pass. Your second goalkeeper anaitwa aje? Second goalkeeper. Bayendir.
Yes.
Okay, jersey number ya Bayendir ni?
Pass.
Okay, Manchester United captain ni nani?
Bruno.
Jersey number?
8.
Okay, jersey number ya first goalkeeper, that is Adri Onana. Jersey number yake?
B2.
Jersey number 2? Okay, rate his football like in the comment section. Don't forget to follow, comment and